Jojo 2024 and the CEO founder of the Walk and Wing Shoes, Sir Jojo Vergani.
Diba? Diba? Very grand.
Grand afternoon to everyone.
Grand afternoon.
Hello po.
Hello
Hello
ba?
to all the viewers and the fans of Miss International Queen Philippines and MIQ, of course, in the whole world. Thank you so much for continuously supporting Imagine and empowering more to join and be part of this organization.
Hello po sa lahat, magandang hapon. Nandito ang mga pinakamagaganda sa mga ating mga kaibigan. Hello po sa lahat.
People, hello.
Sorry ka.
Sawadi ka!
Message to our delegates competing for tonight's MIQPH All-Stars.
Well, as cliche as it sounds, as I always say, just enjoy the whole competition. I know I was able to train them for just quite a few hours lang sa Braga's License Store a few weeks ago, a week ago I think. I get to see the personality of the girls, and I mean this is All Stars edition also, so everybody's ready. Whoever will represent the Philippines in the international stage, I know should bring their best also. So just enjoy them.
Sir Jojo, yes. Message natin for our delegates competing for tonight.
Sa akin just have fun. And I was able to talk to Miss Alisa last night. And tinanong ko siya kung ano yung gusto niya, yung vision niya for MIQ. And what is important, is it beauty, is it the body or intelligence? And I got a pretty much very good insight on the kind of winners that she's looking for. So I think isa yun sa mga hahanapin ko. So ngayon, just be yourself. Just enjoy the night.
How about you, our grandest Jojo? Ano bang hinahanap natin sa winner?
The most grand.
The one and only?
Or the most. Ang hinahanap ko somebody who can represent us sa international stage. Lalo sa MIQ, di ba? Kasi nga, napaka-grand ng stage ng MIQ. And beauty and brains yan. Beauty and
Ayun.
brains.
Sir Jo, aside from the grand beauty, ano pa yung mga dapat abangan natin sa Bragado?
MGI All-Stars, of course. So, andito kami ni CJ nga nagsimula na ang MGI All-Stars. So, supposed to be, we're flying today dapat. But because, siyempre si Miss Michelle yan, hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan. So, andito tayo, mas pinili muna natin dito. So, papanawat, sorry.
See you soon.
See you soon. Matipad kami sa
So, kailan ba yung grandest launching na ating
Pasabog.
Nang alin po.
Ano nga ba?
Winner ng first
The winner
edition
ng
of All-Stars.
Ng All-Stars. Okay.
No, but I think it's gonna be the launching also of the shoes, the new shoes for All Stars.
Ayun.
Wearing the
Dahil
Bragado.
dyan, may tatanong ako. Dahil mainit-init, ikaw na daw ba talaga ang bagong may hawak ng
Yan
Grados
na. Ayan na ang
Pageant
kasagutan.
Philippines?
Kasagutan. Silence means yes.
Hindi naman. Malalaman na lang natin yan kasi hindi naman natin alam kung kanino talaga bibigay, di ba? Kasi I've been hearing and seeing some names na nagre-resurface regarding sa issue na yun. Pero kung ibibigay man, ibigay. And kung sa ibang man mapunta, we'll see. For now, MJ All-Stars muna ang, I think, ang mas kailangan na tinututukan natin ang plano.
Sorry sir, but how many percent is that person that ibigay kung ibibigay for Jojo Vergani? How many percent is that?
That we don't know.
Parang
That's gonna be
nagkamali
a
na lang sa
surprise.
Para.
Let's see.
We'll see. Kasi I love you all, but pumihingin muna ako ngayon. Lahat ng pwede kong sabihin ngayon ay pwedeng ikasama at ikasira ng aking
Nawala ka. Nawala.
Pero if ever ba, masasama ba kami sa grandest launching na yan?
Yeah, that will be
Of
special.
course naman.
Ay, grabe!
Everywhere and anywhere.
Kung saan man siya mapunta or kung ano man ang mangyari, syempre, alam niyo naman yan. And thank you so much for the love and support sa Bragais all throughout. And kung tatawid man tayo sa mga panibagong journey sa buhay, dito sa pageantry life ng Bragais. And of course, kayo ang isa sa mga unang makakaalam and masasabihan. And I think time na rin natin to. I mean, for the longest time, if I'm gonna be more vulnerable towards what is happening in the pageant industry, madami ang mga nangyayari na I would say na not so.
Galing ko talaga.
Yeah. So, siguro if there's something man nasisimulan, siguro mas maganda na i-include ang pageant media because kayo ay umiikot, nakakasama ang mga iba-ibang pageant queens. And I think it's about time to create something na mas involved kayo in shaping the industry na magkakasama tayo. So, I mean,
Speaking of involvement, sir, for CJ, kasi po kilala po kayong matalik magkaibigan. So, ipagpinigay po ba ito kay Sir Jojo ay malaki, hindi ka na host ngayon, isa ka na sa mga, ano,
I wanna be on the stage, pero kasi malo rin ako ng Miss Grand. And then, but I mean, if ever, if there are really changes, changes with the grand pageant or whichever line of pageant we have in the Philippines, well, I think everybody knows I jumped from one competition to another competition, which I say all the time na parang home ko na din, Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Grand. So hopefully, kung saan man po ako mapadpad, they'll be able to embrace me wherever, whenever. I'm just here to support all the Filipina queens, organizations. So hopefully,
So, mag-judge ba ulit ako sa CJ Opianza?
yan, kaya na.
nag-jump ako papunta Thailand sa 80 to see.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Cut!
Ano?
Thank you so much.